Alright, here I am at the intersection of 287 and Sublet Road. Get up in my car. There you can see there's a tornado. It's right there. Damn, that thing's really moving. See that up there? Yeah, it's over there. I can see a bunch of debris spinning in a circle. So yeah, here I am at this. This is McDonald's. I'm here at this quick car. Now look at that. That's pretty large. Wow. See the cloud structure. Y'all live over there? It's torn up with this garage over here. Okay. How long ago did it blow through?
5 minutes ago, man.
5 minutes ago. You alright? Yeah, so I just went through this little residential neighborhood. And it did a number of these roofs. I don't see like any like total house destruction, so I think as long as most of these people were inside the center of their homes, they're probably alright. This car looks like it. Look, see big dents on this car right here. Stuff hit it. Those houses back there. This G35. Man, it got torn up. Wow. That sucks. This garage. There's trees back there. Alright. Man, a U-turn right here. Alright, turn around, we'll get one more look at it. Man. Police officer. Look at that. This is really close to my house. This is about, I want to say a mile. Just about a mile from where I live, so it's hitting pretty close to home. Alright, let's pull out. Now we're heading towards the 287 off-ramp. Alright, this is just up the road of that previous neighborhood we just went through. Look at that. Wow. Sheet metal bent around. Look at that. It just lifted this huge tree out of the ground like it was nothing. Take a look at this tree right here. Man. Sirens are going off again. We might be in for another run of this. Wow, look at that. That's incredible.